Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chanel, and today we'll be reviewing a hair from the company Hairs Market.
You already know, yeah. Double gump on the rhythm. Music.
So, I originally paid $185.49 for this hair. They have it on sale right now for $94.81 for the shortest length. So, you guys could definitely go get this hair. It is good. This is not a new hair. I have been having this hair for like 5 months now. I bought this hair from in June for my graduation, and I only wore it like 2 times since then. I wore it for graduation day, and then I wore it a week in July for the summer, and I took it out. And then now I was like, oh my gosh, I really do have this hair still, and it's like still good. Like it's still good. I did not flat iron it before this video. I was like, I don't have time for that. But the length that I bought was a 20 inch, and I was like, oh, I want it to be very long, but see, it's like right here. I had cut it. I trimmed the ends because it was too trashy. You know, regular hair stuff, too trashy. When I got this hair first, it was a blonde straight lace front wig, 100% 13 by 4 human hair, and it was pre-plucked. Even though I had to cut it myself, I cut the lace myself, and I cut some other baby hairs because I didn't really like their pre-plucked. I did bleach the knots. Even though I'm not a professional, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to lay a lace because you can still see what's going on right there. This is how the top part of it looks. I don't know what I'm doing, so I just wear the hair. I had on a hat for graduation, so I really didn't care. But for you guys who are professionals and know how to do your stuff, this is a good hair for you. A good hair. This is a 5 months hair review, and it is good. Let me tell y'all.
City body be rubber. Holy body be this life he pass. City body be rubber. Holy body be rubber. You already know, yeah. Double gump on the rhythm.
So I'm like, sugar, baby, like what up with it? It's a little bit dry because I like effort in moisturizing and doing all that because I didn't wear it. I was just going through my stuff on the side. I was like, oh, let me just start a YouTube channel and make a hair video because it's really a good hair, and I was impressed because I was kind of skeptical about it. I mean, like, I don't know this company. I know a lot of other companies like Kendra Boutique, Yulissa Hair, all of them stuff, but Hair's Market was like, somebody was like, oh, it's affordable, you could do it, and I was like, let me try it, and I'm really impressed. Really impressed. I dyed it myself. I did not get this hair on hairsmarket.com like this. I dyed it myself. As I said before, it was a 613 blonde wig. I just want to see before videos of the actual color of the hair and how the lace was and everything. You could look right here. It's gonna be right there. You can see the original wig out of the box, fresh out the box and everything, no wash, nothing, just the raw hair out the box. In the box when I got it, it was like regular stuff. So you get a comb, you get like lashes that I never wear. I don't know why you keep saying that because I don't wear them kind of lashes. And you get like a, I don't want to say this because I'm from a different culture. We call it scoochie or scrunchie. We call it a scrunchie. Y'all probably call it something else. The little things that y'all use to put your hair up in a ponytail and stuff. In Jamaica, we call them scrunchies. So it had no bad smell. I heard other people complain about other companies, their wig smells. It has this awful smell, or it smells really weird. This wig had no smell at all. When I took it out the package, I was like, please don't be smelly, please don't be smelly, please don't be smelly. And it was not smelly at all. I washed it, it was still soft. Unlike other hair companies that I had bought bundles from, when I got it and I washed it, it was over with. I could not even wear that hair no more. But this hair was like, the cap is actually big. They was like, oh, the cap size, and I was like, cap size? I don't even know, cause they know I'm not a professional. So I feel the medium because I was like, people keep telling me my head is big, so I got a medium. It fits, but the back part is just off of my head. But it's still, it's good. It's good. It's still good. So, yeah. Small amount of shedding. When I say small amount of shedding, I mean like this amount is shedding. I don't know if you can see that, but I put it up to my chest because it's black. This amount is shedding. This is just from brushing it today. The cap again, I said it was too big. It was like no bad smell. It was a little amount of shedding. It was pre-plucked, even though I had to pluck it myself. I cut it myself. I dyed it myself. If you guys are wondering what color I use Adore, Spice, Amber, and Ginger. So I blend both of the colors together, and this is the result that I got. If you guys are looking for quality hair and you just want something for like a long time, and you know it's just a one-time thing, if you're not an expert at hair, if you're not like, you know, you don't know what you're doing like myself, this is a good hair company. This is a great hair company, to be honest with you, to do. I just wish that I had took a small cap size. I wish that I had did that. It's affordable, it's cheap for $180 something because I know people paying $500 for hair, $300 for some good lace, but this one is good too. I mean, this one is good too. So I mean, it's affordable. Hey, affordable hair. Like, why would you pay $500 for something you can have for $185? Yes, it's not like the best quality, but hairsmarket.com, y'all did y'all shit. Again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be uploading more. As you can tell, this is my first YouTube channel. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Mwah.